This bird looks like a penguin, but wait till you see what it can do. Meet the Atlantic puffin, the flying penguin of the north. It flaps its tiny wings up to 400 times a minute, hitting speeds over 88 kilometers per hour. And underwater, it's a mini torpedo, flying through the sea to hunt fish. Nicknamed the clown of the sea, its bright beak and silly walk steal the show. But don't laugh too soon. This little genius can hold 10 to 20 fish at once without dropping a single one. Oh, and lovebirds? Puffins mate for life, and even kiss by rubbing their beaks. They build cozy underground homes and raise fluffy little pufflings inside. Tiny, funny, fast, and fearless. The Atlantic puffin is nature's cutest powerhouse. Still think it's just a clown? Share your thoughts in comments.